Hola och benvinguts och benvingudas as we say here in Catalonia. It's Göran and I'm back with recommendations about what's going on here in the cava and wine region Penedès during the coming weekend. But let's start here. Now you will say that because I'm Swedish I will cheer for Zlatan tonight. But I say Toma Paris Saint-Germain and Forza Barça because I am integrated. So now that has been said. Over to our cultural agenda, and we have a lot of things going on as always. For example, jazz music. My wife Mona, she will of course go to see jazz, but there is jazz music also in El Vendrell. Now, much more importantly is what will happen out in the squares and the streets of Catalonia, because the spring has arrived and temperatures are slowly arriving up to 20 degrees Celsius and will soon be above 20 degrees Celsius. And then there are a lot of outdoor activities here in Catalonia. Most importantly, the human towers, castells. So it's time to come out of the closet and pick up your shirts. You look at me and you see a retired history teacher from Sweden. I look into the mirror and I see a newborn casteller, a newborn Catalan, because that's my new maid. So believe it or not. And this trend to build human towers is really, really strong. And I will show that with figures. Last year there were 9,357 human towers built in the squares and streets all around Catalonia, and 28 teams, 28 so-called collias, built human towers of 8 levels or more. 8 levels or more. And now, even more importantly, up here in our neighbor town, Vilafranca del Penedès, that's where we find the best team in Catalonia. Castellers de Vilafranca, but you're of course not allowed to say they are the best, but they are. They always build human towers with 9 levels, or even more when they are in a good mood. So this trend is so strong, and you can ask yourself, why is that? Why is this phenomena so popular right now? And I think it has to do with the movement in Catalan society, because, for example, this weekend we can see sardana dancing in Cubellas. But I mean, sardana dancing, how fun is that if you are young and if you want to show the world that you are Catalan? Then, of course, the human towers with their spectacularity is a much more interesting way of showing the world that you are different from the rest of Spain, or that you even maybe want to be independent. Other people will say that this has to do only with the fact that UNESCO in 2010 took up the Catalan human towers on their list of immaterial cultural heritage of humanity. Well, I am not sure. I think it's rather the first explanation which is most important here. But that's a good sociological question, and sociology, that's something I really like, so I'll go and study a bit, okay? But as you know, I also like the Catalan language, and this weekend, if you missed the Catalan Easter songs last weekend, you have a new chance to listen to them now, this weekend. So I say, come here and enjoy spring, and enjoy the fact that the birds have arrived. Also s'han arribat amb la primavera, i ara cantant tot volant, que tot reviu amb el seu cant. Ai, quin goig poder cantar, és la primavera.